Hey Jenny, Rob here. Hope you're having a good day, by the way. Hope the allergy thing is all right. I'm sure your hands are full. I just figured I'd share this with you. It's easier. Just make a quick video to explain. Pretty straightforward. So, the idea is again claims, reasons, and evidence. And so, I just shared with you a Google slide. And so, really, you'll just go through the slides. It talks about the claim, gives a definition, and then just questions that students can be asking themselves as they go through each part. So for claim, it goes through that. Then there's just two examples that it will go through. And so for it'll talk about students should not have to wear uniforms and kids should be allowed to have phones. So it just goes from the claim and then to the reasons. And then it'll give the reasons for those same two scenarios. So uniforms are boring. Phones can allow kids to call parents when they need to. And then the same thing will be for evidence. You'll just be able to give the definition to ask yourself, and then the examples for evidence that tie with those topics. And then after that, basically, it will just be putting the three together for each topic so that they can see the layers of you have your claim, you give the reason, and then you support the reason with the evidence. And now, obviously, as we go further along, the evidence will have to be research based and that sort of thing. But this is just to get them in that habit. So once you just review through those real quick, then there's a story in Raz Kids that I've uploaded into Raz for them to get to. And also, I just shared with you a Google Drive PDF version of the book because that may be easier for you just to make it simple. But if you want to go into Raz Kids, it will be there as well in the file cabinet. And finally, after reading the story, and so as you read, you can ask them, hey, do you notice any claims? Do you see any reasons? And just have that discussion, which you do so well. So that'll be great. And then after that, this is what the students will see in Schoology. So I'm sharing this assignment with them. And basically, with you, they can go through remembering what was in the story and reviewing it. And I gave an example first reason that you can discuss with them, and then they can give the evidence that went with that reason. And then as a group, they can come up with two other reasons and evidence that were used to support those in the story. Okay, so then that will be it for that. And then on their own, they can go ahead and take the quiz for that story that they went through with you. Okay. And so, yeah, that's it. Pretty straightforward. And if you can't get through everything, that's okay. Hopefully, this video is helpful. Thank you so much for all of your help and everything you do. All righty. Have a good day.